So let's have a look at how to use the mass and balance calculator, which is pretty straightforward to do. The first thing to say though, and the very important thing to say, that this absolutely does not replace the need to be able to calculate this manually and be able to verify this manually using the data that's in the AFM. So the first thing we need to do is select the correct aircraft. So we can see at the bottom there's a tab for VNE A and one for VNE B. So the weights and moments are fairly similar, but there is a little bit of difference between the two. So we need to make sure we've selected the correct aircraft. So we then just need to essentially complete the green boxes. So start at the top, we're going to say the pilot weighs, let's say they weigh 85 kilos. So everything's in kilograms. We've got a co-pilot of 80 kilograms. And we've got some baggage of 5 kilograms. So if we don't have a co-pilot or baggage, then we can just leave that blank. The next box is usable fuel. So the AFM uses a number, a specific gravity of 0.72. So there's a little calculator here at the bottom to calculate that for you. So let's say we're going to put on board 70 litres of fuel. So that's going to give us 50 kilograms of fuel. We then need to put in our trip fuel, so how much trip fuel we're going to use. So let's say we are going to use 20 litres of fuel. So again, we complete the green box. That tells us we're going to use 14 kilos of fuel. So that's all the data that we need to use. So then we can look across at the envelope and we can see that the takeoff and the landing mass and moment are quite comfortably within the envelope. So I hope you found that useful, and as I say, make sure you can do this manually and check this. If you're unsure how to do that, then if you have a chat with one of the instructors, then any one of us will happily sit down and go through this with you.